As always, thanks for tuning in again. Let's get on with the Mira. So I'm going to straighten out and reuse the inner part, the box sections of the roof up here that I removed just to straighten out the sections that were really badly damaged. I'm a bit worried about the welder. It is creating a lot of splatter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to strip out more of the interior. I am worried about damaging the dashboard, so that's got to come out. Also, door cards, glass has got to come out. And yeah, then we can get on with the welding. So the original windscreen that I've just removed is not actually the original. The original windscreen, well, there's bits of it there. That's the instrument cluster removed from the dash. And one thing that you guys have probably noticed by now, that these great big sausage fingers are no good for working on tiny little cars like this. So that's the dash now removed. A lot of you might be wondering, why would I go through the effort of removing the dash if I'm welding, you know, up in here in these areas? What happened many years ago, I was working on one of my own cars and I was actually installing a sunroof up the front here. And I didn't realise while I was welding, but a tiny blim of weld had actually slipped down one of the air vents in the front, and had melted down through the ducting and landed on top of the fuse box. It took many hours to solder the wires back together. It caused a lot of problems. It caused a small fire above the fuse box. I don't want to go through that again, so I'm just being cautious. Thanks for tuning in again. I really do appreciate it. Make sure you like, subscribe and comment. I'm going to leave it there for today. We'll see you next time. Cheers! So that's the door stripped down and the glass removed. I've left the rubber seal on the outside of the door, so when I get round to doing the bodywork down here, or the repairs, I want the door to sit where it's going to be as a finished product. So I'm going to leave the seal in there to the very last minute.